Hi, Miss Polly here, and we're going to look at a marble run with some physics. We don't need any special safety equipment. It's going to be safe. So in a marble run, what I want you to experiment with is how can I get a marble to come down the ramp, make a full circle, and come here and be stopped by the gal. Can I start low? If I go too high, if I start low, will it even make it around the circle? Or will it even just stop at the bottom? If I start too high, will it go shooting off? So I have to get it exactly the right level for it to make the circle and stay on the track. And I've been doing it a while and experimenting, and I haven't made it yet. So what you have to have is, I just use this out of paper, and it's pretty flimsy. I would say, and I cut it so that I could keep the sides, but yet have a barrier so that the marble doesn't fall off. Right? I think a poster board cut would be a better track, right? But you also want to take note. You want your ruler so you can be very precise, and you take notes on your science journal about where I started, 5 inches up, how far the marble made it into the run. You also want to experiment with how big of a circle can I make? Do I have to start higher to make a big circle? Not so high for a smaller circle. It's kind of a fun experiment. Here's your vocabulary words. You're going to have friction, which is the resistance when one surface moves over another surface. We're going to have gravity, which pulls everything down to the earth. And then drag slows down an object as it moves. Kind of have fun with this. So make your own marble run. Get yourself a measure and keep adjusting. Smaller circle, higher, medium circle. Can I bring it further down? Very large circle. Do I need to start way up high? All right. Bye.